Hi everybody, it's Peg with another Tag It Tuesday. This is a challenge that is brought to you from a Facebook group sponsored by my friend Sherry Whitfield, and you can find them over there if you'd like to join in the fun. But I am just copying down the prompts for this month. You only have to use 2, but I'm going to use all 4 as usual. It says to use a sponge brush, add gears, black marker, and luck. So I'm using this embossing folder. This is a folder that you run through a die cut machine. This one happens to be from Couture Creations. It's called Renaissance, and it has a clock face, and I'm thinking of gears and clock faces. And I happen to have this piece of packaging left over from something I received from Emerald Creek. So I ran that through my embossing machine, and now I'm going to add some Renaissance Brown Dazzling Metallic Glaze, which is from Deco Art, to that embossed surface. It gives it a bronzy, kind of that metallic clockwork finish that I'm looking for. So I'm going to put a couple of coats of that onto this piece, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so next I have some corrugated paper, and I'm going to spritz that with a couple of colors of Color Bloom spray. This is a Prima product. You can see that the paper starts to curl. I need to heat set that before I apply that clockwork piece to the front of my tag. And yeah, you don't have to buy tags. You can use packaging or whatever you have around, and that's what I tend to do when I do these types of projects. I'm going to use some double stick tape to hold those pieces together, plus a little bit of glue, because I want to make sure everything sticks down well. And when you get this many layers of things, and I'm going to be layering even more up here, you want to make sure that you have secure fastenings on these pieces. So that's why I'm using both types of adhesive to adhere this. And then I also have on my desk, these are scrap pieces from chipboard embellishments. You can see I have painted up some chipboard embellishments, and I have the scrap pieces that they came out of. These are remember exactly where I got these gears from, but there are a lot of places you can get these chipboard gears. I'll try to remember to find a link for you and put it in the description box below, because that's where I usually put all that kind of information for you if you're looking for things. But anyway, I had used some Deco Art media products on these, and these are just leftover pieces from other projects. I had done an assemblage where I had created this heart from a piece of foam core and put texture paste on it and painted it up, and I'm just using up stuff I have out on my desk. Pieces of chipboard, scrap pieces of card, whatever you have. It's time to use it up. We all have this kind of stuff, and making tags is a real quick and easy. Tags, cards, whatever you have is a quick, easy way of using some of these supplies. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to glue these pieces down, and this is the number 2 part. I used the sponge brush to sponge on my paint, and now I'm adding the gears to my piece. I've also added some other fabric pieces and chipboard. I'm going to use my black marker to go around these chipboard or wooden pieces that I have on here, and I have added my sentiment, which says lucky in love, which includes the luck. And I think that does it for this month. Be sure and join us if you can. I'd love to see your artwork, and be kind to one another, be kind to yourselves, and remember, you make a difference. Bye for now.